Greetings, fellow travelers of the cosmos. Today, we're diving into the wacky world of quantum mechanics. Buckle up, because things are about to get weird. You see, that cup of coffee you spilled this morning? Quantum particles. That frustrating traffic jam on your way to work? Quantum particles again. You might think you're in control, but I'm here to tell you, you're not. The universe is a giant puppet show, and guess who's pulling the strings? You got it. Those mischievous little quantum particles. Now, let's talk about superposition. This concept is one of the most fascinating and mind-bending aspects of quantum mechanics. It challenges our everyday understanding of reality and forces us to think in ways that seem almost magical. This is where things get really interesting. Superposition allows particles to exist in multiple states at once, defying the binary logic we are so accustomed to. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. As it spins, it embodies both heads and tails simultaneously, existing in a state of uncertainty. Is it heads or tails? In our everyday world, we expect it to be one or the other once it lands. In the quantum world, it's both at the same time. This duality is what makes quantum mechanics so perplexing and intriguing. It's only when we actually look at the coin that it decides to be one or the other. This act of observation collapses the superposition into a single state. This is how those tiny particles mess with our binary choices. They exist in a realm where multiple possibilities coexist until we force them to choose. Should you have pizza or salad for dinner? In a quantum sense, you could be having both until you make a decision. Quantum particles are flipping coins in your brain as we speak. Every thought and decision is a dance of probabilities and possibilities. And don't even get me started on computers. The classical computers we use today are based on binary logic, but quantum computers operate on a whole different level. Those zeros and ones they love so much, in the quantum realm, they can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to superposition. Just another example of quantum superposition in action. It's a world where the impossible becomes possible, and reality is far stranger than fiction. Ever wonder where sound and light come from? It's all thanks to those vibrating quantum particles, creating waves of energy that travel through space and time. Think of it like a cosmic symphony, with each particle playing its own unique tune. Frequency, the rate at which these particles vibrate, determines the pitch of the sound or the color of the light. It's the language of the universe, and it's all around us, even if we can't always see it. Remember that traffic jam I mentioned earlier? Imagine each car as a quantum particle, stuck in a state of superposition, trying to decide whether to move forward or stay put. It's enough to make even the most patient driver tear their hair out. But it's not just traffic. From spilled coffee to lost keys, those pesky quantum particles are behind all sorts of everyday annoyances. They're like the mischievous gremlins of the universe, always up to no good. Let's get philosophical. Picture yourself on a cliff, overlooking nature. The wind caresses your face, and you feel connected to the world. This is a moment where reality and imagination blur. If our reality is shaped by quantum particles, can we escape their influence? The night sky, and the waves, and the wind remind us of the universe's vastness and unseen forces. A wise person said, "If you want to travel faster than light, you're thinking wrong." It's about understanding time and space. Imagine walking a mountain path at sunset, each step bringing deeper understanding. Don't think of travel as taking time. Think of it as moving through a space where time doesn't exist. Picture an empty road, a serene lake, or a dense forest path leading to another world. Travel in a space where time doesn't exist, escaping our construct. The desert, remote trail, and open field represent limitless possibilities when we break free from time. Even the quantum realm has a resonant signature. The canyon, forest, and waterfall symbolize the hidden depths and beauty of the quantum world. The key to the universe's secrets lies in understanding time and space. The starry sky, ocean view, and mountain sunrise remind us of the infinite possibilities ahead. Section 6. The illusion of choice. Are we really in control? So, if our lives are at the mercy of these quantum overlords, does that mean free will is just an illusion? Are our choices truly our own, or are they dictated by forces beyond our comprehension? Are we all just puppets dancing on a string? Are every move predetermined by the whims of the universe? The idea that we might not be in control of our own destinies is both fascinating and terrifying. It's a question that has plagued philosophers and scientists for centuries. From the ancient Greeks to modern-day thinkers, the debate over free will versus determinism continues to rage on. Maybe we'll never know the answer for sure. The complexity of the universe and the intricacies of the human mind make it a puzzle that might never be fully solved. But one thing's for certain, it makes you think twice about those everyday choices, doesn't it? Every decision, no matter how small, suddenly feels like it carries the weight of the cosmos. Are we the masters of our fate, or merely players in a grand cosmic play? Section 7. Embracing the quantum quirks. Perhaps instead of fearing the unknown, we should embrace the quirky, unpredictable nature of the quantum world. After all, it's what makes our universe so fascinating. So next time you're stuck in traffic or your computer crashes, take a deep breath and remember, it's just those quantum particles up to their old tricks again. Section 8. Disclaimer. Don't take this too seriously. Now, before you start blaming all your problems on quantum mechanics, remember, this is just a simplified and humorous take on a complex subject. Quantum physics is a vast and ever-evolving field, and there's still much we don't know. Section 9. Join the quantum conversation. What are your thoughts on the quantum world? Do you think we're all just puppets in a cosmic play? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of the universe.